Dream Chaser number one. I'm back again. I got a message for the dream chaser in you. So this is what I want to tell you. Don't just do something to be doing something. Don't just do something to be doing something. If you're going to do something, have a purpose for what you're doing. If you're going to do something, have a reason for what you're doing. Don't just do it to say you're doing it. Don't just create a video just to create a video. Have a purpose for your video. You know what I'm saying? In the life of a dream chaser, in chasing your dreams, you need to have a purpose for what you do. You know, A plus B equals C. You want to be able to get to a destination. You don't want to just be doing something just to do it, just to say you did it. Just to get the task done, you just throw a bunch of garbage out there in the world. No, we're not accepting that anymore. We want you to seek perfection. We want you to seek excellence. We want you to seek greatness. We want you to seek what you really want. And to just get the job done and to put in mediocre work makes no sense to me. Makes no sense to me. Don't accept mediocrity. Don't accept halfway, half-done stuff. Don't put that out into the world. Do your best. Do your best, dream chasers. Give your best. Put in the time that it's gonna take to give your best. Don't give us your worst. Don't give us half-done stuff. Who wants to eat something half done? Who wants to have something half done? Who wants something that had no thought into the process of making it done just to say you got it done? Pointless, dream chasers. And so what I say to you is give it all. Give your all. Give us the things that you have really thought about, the things you dreamed about, the things you wanted, the things you desired. Do that. And if you can't do that, don't do anything at all. If you cannot do that, don't do anything at all, dream chasers. Just sit down and wait your turn. Just wait. You understand that, dream chasers? This is a serious message for you. And remember that I said it. Don't go halfway. Don't do some bull crap. Give us the best of you, and you will have your dreams. Give everything you want, the best for you, and you will have your dreams. And you will have your dreams. Remember I said that. Dream Chaser number one. I'm back. I don't know. Today maybe I'm a little angry, but I'm back. Never stop dreaming. Peace.